Hi there, it's the Bike Buyer. Welcome to my video of this absolutely stunning Aprilia V4 Tuono factory 2016 bike with just 14,600 miles. Valve clearances have been done. What an epic bike this is. I'm just going to walk you around and show you the condition. So obviously this is the factory bikes. You've got your Olins, you've all got the mega spec. It's just an incredible bit of kit. Lovely condition, no scratches, cracks on the front there, headlights all good. You got the carbon front mudguard there, proper carbon. Tyres are all okay, Olin suspension there. Absolutely top spec kit all over this bike. It is just an incredible bike. The graphics, everything on this bike, it just screams, look at me. Hell of a bit of kit. Bike's never been down, windmere tips all clear. Full butt pack, 2 keys. All different modes, traction, etc. And that screaming V4 motor. It's just been looked after so well, this bike. Arrow exhaust, absolutely stunning. That swing arm, rear shock in there. It's just a beautiful bike to look at. Attention to detail is absolutely exquisite. Quick shifter there. What a bike. A huge amount of bike for the money, in beautiful condition. Do finance, delivery, have to look at part exchanges. If you've got any questions at all, just get in contact, Facebook, eBay, Auto Trader. Drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp, or even give us a call. Thank you so much for watching.